French at Home with Franco. Video 2. Lesson 2. And in this video we are going to look at one of the verbs used in Lesson 1. S'appeler, to be called, to call oneself. Je m'appelle comes from the verb s'appeler. S'appeler, this is the verb in its infinitive form. That is, when it is not broken down to refer to any people, nor is it in any particular tense. S'appeler is what is known as a reflexive verb, hence the little pronoun in red there, and it generally means that the action is being brought back to the person doing it. We're going to look at the conjugation of this verb in the present tense. Conjugation means the breakdown of the verb to refer to different people, and there are lots of different tenses. This is the present tense. Je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. Now let's put these verb chunks into sentences. Tu t'appelles Raphaël, n'est-ce pas? Non, je m'appelle Jacques. Lui, il s'appelle Raphaël. Regardez ma chienne, elle s'appelle Cassie. Elle est mignonne, n'est-ce pas? S'appeler. Remember, that's the infinitive. Here are more bits of the conjugation. Generally speaking, these are the plural bits. Nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. Now let's look at these verb chunks in sentences. Nous nous appelons Franco, Jacques et Cassie. Nous nous appelons Franco, Jacques et Cassie. Et vous, comment vous appelez-vous? Bonjour à tous et à toutes. Moi, je m'appelle Jade. Et vous, comment vous appelez-vous? Voici mes amis. Ils s'appellent Franco, Jacques et Cassie. Bon, c'est tout. Au revoir, à bientôt. Don't forget to ask any questions that you have in the comments section, and I look forward to being able to answer them. Merci, au revoir.